This is sugar cookies. 4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, stir that around, set it aside. 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 2 beaten eggs, 1 teaspoon soda, baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 cup of butter. Beat together until smooth. 1/2 cup buttermilk.
Oh, 1/2 cup buttermilk. So just say 1/2 cup buttermilk.
Say 1/2.
1/2
Buttermilk.
sounds like 1 1/2.
1/2 buttermilk. 1/2 cup. We've got to stir the flour in with a fork, a little bit at a time. And put a lid on it. Place it in the refrigerator, and then I usually keep it overnight. And then take it out the next day and make cookies.
The next day.
Take it out and roll it out 1/8 inch and set your oven to 375. And if you make big cookies, you cook about 10-15 minutes. The smaller cookies, about 8 minutes until golden brown. Roll it out. Just let it sit for a minute or two. Thing the shape you want, cookie cutters. You have to put a little flour on underneath or it'll stick on the counter. These are medium. Back up and roll it out. You have to work fast before the butter melts. This little amount of flour is needed. Flour on the rolling pin. Oven's 375 degrees, 7 minutes. Packaged cream cheese, 1/3 cube of butter. You melt this and pour over the cream cheese. So that's 2 to 3 tablespoons canned milk.
Evaporated milk.
Or regular milk. A dash of salt.
Just
That over it.
dash of salt.
Dash of salt.
That's a show.
1 teaspoon vanilla. Stir it up. 2 1/2 cups powdered sugar. Mix it up. Sometimes I use the mix master. That's a light golden brown. So I take them out. Put them on a cookie rack to cool.
Bon appetit!